Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smartural.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smartural.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smartural.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today, for exam P on probability. An auto insurance policy will pay for damage to both the policyholder's car and the other driver's car in the event that the policyholder is responsible for an accident. The size of the payment for damage to the policyholder's car, X, has a marginal density function of 1 for X between 0 and 1. And of course you should see immediately that this means uniform distribution between 0 and 1. Given X equal to X, the size of the payment for damage to the other driver's car, Y, has conditional density of 1 for Y between X and X plus 1. That's also uniform distribution, but between X and X plus 1. If the policyholder is responsible for an accident, what is the probability that the payment for damage to the other driver's car will be greater than 0.50? Well, the joint density of x and y is f sub x of x times f sub y of y, given that x is equal to x, and that's equal to 1 if x is between 0 and 1 and y is between x and x plus 1 and 0 otherwise. So the joint density is constant, which indicates uniform distribution. But where? Well, in that region where the density is constant and equal to 1, which is the region marked with dotted lines here. X is between 0 and 1 in that region, and y is between x and x plus 1, so between these two parallel lines. And we are looking for the probability that y is less than 1/2, which is the probability of being in that bottom triangle that is indicated there, where I show you where y is less than 1/2. So the area of this parallelogram where the density is 1, it's positive, is 1, and all probabilities are just given by areas as a result. The probability that payment exceeds 0.5 is 1 minus the probability that y is less than 0.5, and the probability that y is less than 0.5 is the area of the small triangle at the bottom of the parallelogram, which is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, because it's a right triangle with side two perpendicular sides both equal to 1/2. So it's 1/8, and the probability sought is 1 minus that, which is 7/8, because the probability we're looking for is a probability that y is more than 0.5. And that's answer D. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.